Hi, I'm so happy you are here today. Do you want to lose some body fat? It can feel hard with all the different advice out there. One person says eat this, another says eat that. That's a lot to think about. But don't worry, today I'll make it simple. We'll talk about how your body works with food, why it keeps fat, and how you can help it let go of extra fat. Our goal is to learn how to lose fat and stay healthy not by doing strange things, but by understanding your body. So get comfortable and let's start this journey together. Why your body keeps fat? Let's begin with a big question. Why does your body store fat? It might sound bad, but your body is actually smart. Long ago, food was not always easy to find. Sometimes people had a lot to eat and sometimes they had almost nothing. So, when they ate, their bodies saved some energy for later. Fat is that saved energy, like a backup power supply. When you eat, your brain and body decide what to do with the food's energy. They have two choices. Use it now for things like walking, thinking, or breathing. Save it for later in case food runs out. Saving energy as fat is helpful. It keeps you going when food is gone. But today, food is everywhere. We eat all the time, so our bodies sometimes save too much fat. That's when we gain extra weight we don't want. Let me give you an example. Imagine you are putting wood in a fire. If you add just enough, the fire burns nicely. But if you keep adding more and more, the extra wood piles up. That's like your body with food. It saves what it doesn't use right away. Two kinds of fat. Not all fat in your body is the same. Let's talk about the two main types. First, there is fat under your skin. You see it on your arms, legs, or belly. We call this subcutaneous fat. A little bit is fine, it's normal. Second, there is a fat deeper inside, around your organs like your stomach, liver, and kidneys. We call this visceral fat. This one matters more. Too much visceral fat can cause trouble because it gets in the way of your organs working well. Your liver is a big helper in your body. It cleans your blood and turns food into energy. If too much fat builds up around it, the liver struggles. We want to keep it healthy, not covered in fat. So, some fat is okay, it's part of human being, but too much, especially deep inside, makes it hard for your body to stay strong. Why too much fat hurts? People often talk about their look, and feeling good about yourself is important no matter your size. This isn't about judging anyone, it's about staying healthy. Having a lot of extra fat, especially that deep belly fat, can make your body work less well. It's not just about the mirror, it's about what's happening inside. In places like the UK, many people carry extra weight and diabetes is common too. Too much fat is often the reason. Why you have extra fat? When you have extra fat, your body might struggle. It can lead to heart problems, diabetes, or even some cancers later on. Even if you feel fine now, too much fat can quietly cause issues over time. Doctors don't always say fat is the problem. They fix the sickness but might not talk about the weight. So, losing fat isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good and staying active for a long time. Counting calories isn't everything. If you want to lose fat, what do people usually do? They count calories. You hear it a lot. Eat less than you burn. That's called a calorie deficit. It makes sense. If you eat more energy than you use, your body saves it. I learned this too. But here's something to think about. A calorie is just energy. Is a calorie from a sugar candy is the same as one from an avocado? No, they are different. Food doesn't just give energy, it tells your body what to do. Different foods send different messages. A candy full of sugar gives a fast energy burst. Your body often saves it as fat if you don't need it right away. An avocado with healthy fat gives you energy too, but your body uses it slowly. It doesn't rush to store it. Counting calories can help some people lose weight, but many gain it back. Why? They focus on eating less, not eating better. They might pick low-calorie foods that aren't healthy and miss out things their body needs. Food should give energy and keep you strong. If you eat the right way, you won't feel hungry or left out. Counting calories can work for a little while, but it's hard to do forever. You lose fat, then gain it again, Because you didn't change why your body stored it. You're not a machine, you are a person. Your body listens to signal from food and hormones. Let's talk about those next. What's in your food? Food gives you energy. We measure it in calories, but it does more than that. Food has big parts and small parts. The big parts are protein, builds your muscle and bones, 4 calories per gram. Carbs, gives quick energy, 4 calories per gram. Fat, gives long-lasting energy, 9 calories per gram, more than double. The small parts are vitamins and minerals like vitamin C or calcium. These are tiny helpers. Your body needs them to use the big parts well. Without them, it can't turn food into energy or fix itself. If you have extra fat, that's energy your body saved. If you learn to use that energy, you will feel great all day. Real food versus factory food. Here's a big idea. There is a real food and factory food. Real food grows in the ground or comes from animals like apples, eggs, or chicken. It has energy and those tiny helpers your body loves. Factory foods comes from machines. It might start as real food, but people add things, sugar, chemicals, stuff to make it last longer or taste good. Think of bread from the store or cereal bars. Your body doesn't know what to do with it. It often lacks the helpers. For example, an apple has vitamins and natural sugar. Your body uses it easily. A cereal bar has sugar and chemicals. Your body works hard to handle it and might store it as fat. If you want carbs, eat a sweet potato, not a candy bar. For protein, pick eggs, not a protein bar with a long list of stuff. When you shop, check the back of packages. If you see many words you don't know, it's probably factory food. Buy simple things like a carrot or fish. They don't need labels. My story. Let me tell you about me. Years ago, I lifted weights a lot. Then I owned a gym. But during a tough time, I ate fast food, cereal, and bread. I gained weight. My belly got big and I felt bad. I had health problems too. Nerve pain, trouble sleeping, and feeling scared sometimes. I knew I needed to change. I remembered from my lifting days that food changes your body's signals. So I tried eating real food again. It worked. I lost the fat, felt better, and my health improved. That's why I care about this so much. Hormones and insulin. Your body uses hormones, messengers that tell it what to do. One big hormone for fat is insulin. When you eat, especially carbs or sugar, your body turns it into glucose, a kind of sugar. Glucose goes into your blood and your brain says, energy is here. It tells your pancreas to send insulin. Insulin takes glucose to your cells for energy. If there is extra, it stores it, first in your liver and muscles, then as fat. If insulin is high a lot, obviously from too much sugar, your body keeps storing fat. Different foods change insulin. Bread, pasta, and sweets make insulin jump fast. Your body stores fat. Meat and eggs raise it a little. That's okay. Healthy fats like avocado barely move it. Great for fat loss. To lose fat, eat foods that keep insulin steady. Using your fat for energy. If you keep insulin low, your body learns to use its stored fat for energy. We call this fat adapted. Most people burn sugar, not fat, so they feel hungry even with extra weight. So when you're fat adapted, your body uses fat either from food or your body for fuel. It takes 4 to 12 weeks to get there. Then you feel less hungry and more steady. Eat protein, healthy fats, and low carbs veggies to make it happen. What to eat? Here's what to eat. Protein with fat, chicken with skin, beef with fat like steak, fish like salmon, healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, nuts like walnuts, butter, veggies, spinach, broccoli, peppers. 2 meals a day. First meal at noon, 3 to 6 eggs with avocado or butter. Second meal, 6 p.m. Meat or fish with veggies and olive oil. No snacks, just water. Add salt to your food. It helps. Clearing up myths. People say wrong things sometimes. Fat makes you fat. No, sugar does that more. Eggs hurt cholesterol. No, they are good for you. You need lots of exercise. No, food matters more. Walking helps, but eating right is key. You can do this. Losing fat is simple when you know your body. Stop eating factory food and sugar. Eat real food, meat, eggs, veggies, fats. You don't need to count calories or run all day. Thank you for watching. If you want more help, subscribe to my channel. Good luck. You have got this.